Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a new notification that has come out with a good number of vacancies. I am talking about the NIACL or the New India Assurance Company Limited that has come out with administrative officer scaleway vacancies for the legal specialization. A good number of vacancies are out there, a total of 50 vacancies. So let's have a look at the details of the notification. This is the notification. The link of the notification you can download from the description box. As I stated, there are a good number of vacancies for the legal specialist. 50 total vacancies are there, 8 for SC, ST4, OBC 13, 5 for EWS category and 20 for the unreserved category. The application window will be open from today, the 7th of August, and will remain open till the 30th of August. The tentative dates for the exam phase 1 and phase 2 is 14 September and 29th of October. Let's have a look at the eligibility. For the eligibility is as of your 1st of August 2025. For your legal specialization, all you need is a graduation or a post-graduation in law with at least 60% marks or 55% in case you are from the SC, ST or PWBD category, right? So this qualification should be complete as of 1st of August 2025. For your age, the age criteria as of again, the cutoff date is 1st of August 2025. Your minimum age should be 21 years and a maximum age of 30 years, right? Which means that you should have either been born not earlier than the 2nd of August 1995 and not later than the 1st of August 2024. There are age relaxations as per the various categories as per the government rules, including for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD category ex-servicemen. You can check out the details for any relaxations if you fall in that particular category. The benefits of this job, around 90,000 gross emoluments is what you will get. So you fall in the pay scale of 50,925 with total gross emoluments of 90,000 per month. Additionally, you will be eligible for other benefits like your NPS, your group personal accident insurance, medical benefits, etc. that are available to the office. Talking of the selection process, the selection process will consist of 3 stages: your preliminary stage, phase 1 exam, then the phase 2, which is the mains exam, and then your interview final stage. Your preliminary exam will be of 100 marks, which will be consisting of English 30 marks, 30 questions, reasoning 35 marks, 35 questions, and quantitative aptitude another 35 marks, 35 questions. A total of 60 minutes will be given. Sectional times have been mentioned, 20 minutes each. Once you qualify for the phase 1, you will move to the main stage. In the mains, for your specialist legal positions, there will be 5 subjects. Your reasoning, 40 marks, 40 questions. You will be given 30 minutes to attempt that. English, 40 marks, 40 minutes. Again, 30 minutes will be given to attempt that. Your third subject will be general awareness. Again, 40 marks, 40 questions equivalent to 40 marks. 25 minutes will be available to you to attempt that. Then quantitative aptitude, again 40 questions of 40 marks and 30 minutes will be available. And your main specialist stream, which will be the legal stream in your case, again 40 questions of 40 marks, 1 marks each. 35 minutes will be given to you. A total of 200 marks and 200 questions is what you have to attempt in 150 minutes. There will be negative marking for the objective questions of 1/4. You will also have to give a descriptive test of English of 30 marks in 30 minutes, which will consist of a letter, 10 marks, and an essay. If you qualify this mains exam, you will move on to the third stage, which is the interview stage. In the interview, your final selection will be dependent on the interview and your phase 2 marks in a ratio of 75:25. So 75% of your phase 2 marks and 25% of your interview marks. That will lead to your final list that will be prepared. So these are the various details. Any other details that you're looking for, you can get the PDF of this notification from the description box. Exambi also has a course for the preparation of NIACL legal officers. The pedagogy consists of pre-recorded video lessons, your study notes which are detailed, and also summary sheets of various sections of various laws that helps for quick revision and preparation, live classes for doubt clarification and further discussion with the faculty face-to-face, MCQ booklets of all the various laws in the legal subject to help you practice and revise and comprehensively prepare your legal subject. And there is practice available for all the other 4 subjects, that is GA, Quant, Reasoning, English at the concept level, chapter level, section test level, and the mock test. You can check out the demo of the course from the description. You will find the link in the description. If you have any other queries regarding the exam, or if you have given the NICL exam for the legal specialist recently, you should go ahead for this particular exam also. If you have any other queries, you can always write to us at hello@iexambi.com or call us at 920-5524028. Wishing you all the best.